Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. Today I have with me the new Kia Proceed GT 2023 model, and in this video we will make the test drive. I already have the full review if you want to see the interior, exterior, technical data and all that features of the car. You can see it in the full review video, so check out on the channel the video, it's already there. Now first of all, this is the key, the same key as Kia. I use it also on other models. What you can do with the key is just lock and unlock the car. It comes with electric folding mirrors and also with keyless entrance. It comes with 18-inch rims and beautiful rims. I love those new rims from Kia that they use on the GT version. Normal brake discs and also red brake caliper on the rear and ventilated brake disc in the front and red brake calipers. So lovely design. I like the way the car look, and also it has 13.5 centimeter. The ground clearance is a little bit lower than on the normal version. That allow the car to have a better stability on the road, and also better stability in the curves and better handlings. And we will see, because we will drive the car right now. By the way guys, if you are in Switzerland, around Switzerland, check out MB Automobile Bader. We'll leave the link in the description. If you want to buy the car, see the car, test drive the car, check them out guys. Very good service and they are super nice. Now the price here at MB Automobile Bader, it's 42,540 francs for this car, and they already have a discount of 2,000 francs. So this is really good with all this option here that the car come with. Now I want to give you some technical data and then we will start driving. The car come with 204 horsepower, 1,540 kilograms, 6.8 liters is the estimated consumption, 153 CO2 grams. It's in D-class, efficient class. I want to tell you that the car come with a 1.6 liter T-GDi petrol engine, 4 cylinders in line, 7-speed for the first time, automatic DCT, dual clutch, and in combination with this transmission it comes with those shifter. From here, from behind the steering wheel, you can change the gears in a manual mode. So this is awesome because you can change it even faster and it gives you this extra option. So I drive the car before and the transmission is just really good. 204 horsepower, 265 newton meters, 6.8 liters consumption, 225 kilometers per hour, 0 to 100 7.5 seconds, 10.6 meters is the turning circle. The car comes with independent McPherson suspension in the front and Multilink semi-independent on the rear. Press the brake, aluminum pedals, incredible pedals, lovely seats guys. By the way, the car comes with these gorgeous GT seats, Alcantara in the middle, leather on the side, gorgeous stitches here, red stitches, perfect position to drive. I love those seats, they are really big and nice. And also the steering wheel, it's incredible. I mean, love the steering wheel, one of my favorite. You have the option to hit it, hit the steering wheel, hit the windshield. Anyway, start engine button is behind. Let's start the car right now. Lovely steering wheel. I love the way it looks and the quality, it's gorgeous. Two different driving modes, sport mode and comfort mode. So we will drive in comfort mode first of all, and then we will go in sport mode. The car comes also with a lot of USB ports, and it comes also with a gorgeous reverse camera guys, and I will show you right now. I will park right here. It's a very good reverse camera because the camera resolution, it's incredible good, and also when you park in places you can see it very clear what it's on the ground. You can see very well in the mirrors. The mirrors are also really good, and also even this mirror up here, I was surprised to see how good it is, to be honest. Really good mirror. Let me go here on the left side. Also, I have to tell you that I also test the car before, and the way it feels on the ground, it's incredible. I mean, they really improve the direction, and the feedback that the steering wheel give to the wheels is just crazy. I mean, it's perfectly set up for a sporty drive, and also I feel like I stay on the road. I feel like I'm stick to the road. The same impression I had when I drive the new Hyundai e30N. Incredible car that as well, and also they share the same engine and the same platform, if I'm not wrong, and also the technology. Kia with Hyundai, they work together two of the biggest company in the last years with huge improvements. I'm really surprised and impressed with what they did. They are really good at making cars. At least in the last years they nail it with the cars. Gorgeous cars. Anyway, the car feels very agile and also relatively light for an estate car. I like that very much. Visibility is great around the windows. Also control on the steering, it's great. Look at this in the curves. Wow, it stays so good. And I like the fact that I really stay quite well. The seat hold me perfectly. I have side support on the shoulders and I sit really good on the seat. I love the position of the driving. Also the pedals, the aluminum pedals are very smooth, very good quality. It feels, everything feels very premium, from seats to steering wheel to pedals. Very good visibility in the mirror. I tell you, really good visibility in the mirror up here, also on the side. Yeah, they managed to bring a premium car in this price, a premium sporty car in this price. It's I'm amazed a little bit, because if you would have to buy a Mercedes or BMW or Audi with such performance and such a technology, you will pay double for sure. And look at it, look at how good it stays on those curves. It's fabulous. If we go in sport mode, you will see right now in sport mode, you hear that sound? Oh boy, I love it. Wow, the way it's changed the gears is just wow. They set it up perfectly. I love the feeling. I noticed that the sound from outside, it's also, the sound insulation is good. It's really good. Also the aerodynamic and the design of the car, it helped a lot. The consumption and also probably the noise reduction from the wind, but very good sound insulation. By the way, let me show you the Autopilot, that also they share the same technology with Hyundai, and I tried so many times and it's really good. It stays between the lanes perfectly. It comes with emergency brake, blind spot technology in the corners. It also can brake, accelerate, depend on what the car in front will do. It's a great system, and Kia really managed to bring on this car in the same price all these safety features. Is just gorgeous. You can see right here it stays perfectly between the lanes, and on the highway it's a bless. It take up your stress. Always have your hand on the steering wheel for the safety reason, but keep in mind that this system is just incredible good. And look at this, it's still driving itself. Lovely, I tell you. Lovely system. Also the heating system worked perfectly. Nothing to say about it. Super agile, super easy to drive. You feel like you have that power when you press the acceleration. Here over the bumps, as I said, the suspensions are set up really well for sporty driving. I feel like I'm close to the ground and you feel like you are in a sporty car. It's perfect. I mean, for me, the way they set up the suspensions, it's perfect. you have the comfort, but you still have that sporty feeling. Wow, it's nimble, it's agile. You don't even feel like you're driving an estate car. It's quite spectacular. You can still take your family and at the same time have some sporty, nice car. Now the turning radius, we will try it here. What I notice is that it's 10.5 meters. And here I try also the Kia Ceed GT, and wow, it was able to turn in the same space. And this is a little bit bigger, wow. And they deliver what they promise. As you see before, it's so easy to drive and to park because you have this camera in the back and the resolution is great. You can see I just park perfectly here in place. Lovely. Lovely car. It's easy to drive, it's fun to drive, it's agile, you have the power, you have the sound, and you have the design. It's beautiful, it's really beautiful. When I see it first time, I was like, wow, it looks really good, it's really stand out on the street, and it stays incredible on the curves. Wow, I love how I stay between those seats. And they said that they improved the handlings and the stability in curves, and they did that. And also the feedback from the steering wheel to the wheels is just wow. I mean, it's perfect. You can hear that sound as well from the interior. You cannot hear it so good, but when you are outside the car, then you can hear that incredible sound. Lovely car. I love it. Great job, Kia. Ho ho. You hear that? Oh boy, I love it. Now you can set up again the cruise control. Let me set it again, and then you can see the truck in front. The car will follow it, will brake if the truck will brake, will accelerate if it will accelerate, so it stays between the lanes. Incredible autopilot system. It's really good. So from this point of view, they did a great job with the car. I love it. I don't know if I have something to complain about in this car. I try to find something, but I can't. We have physical button everywhere. You can set up the autopilot very easy. You can set up the climatic system easy. Every single button here, it's in the perfect position. You can reach it out very easy. You can change different driving modes, the gear shifter, everything. It's so easy to maneuver. Very good visibility almost everywhere on the cockpit, on the multimedia system. Lovely car. The seats, I don't even need to tell you, I feel great here on the seats. I have a perfect driving position. You can see the car, it's still driving and it stays so good on the lanes. So good, it stays between the lanes. Look at it, stays between the lanes in the middle. And oh yeah, great job. Great. Let's brake. I love how the pedals feel when you brake, when you touch them. They are really good. Great pedals. Here we can set up again this autopilot system. Yes, but it didn't see the lanes here. Now it sees. Now it can do it itself. Yeah, and now it's working. I can still hear that exhaust pipes even though we are in comfort mode right now. Consumption until now it's like 7.8 liters. It's normal for the driving mode. I think you can get also great consumption if you will drive economical, but outside today it's super cold. It's kind of winter. If I'm not wrong, they are 5 degrees right now, but it was with minus a little bit earlier. Lovely. I think the key is playing with me here. The sound insulation is great. It feels like you are in a premium car inside here. We are close to the end, guys. I hope you get some useful information from this video. Super nice car. I tell you, the price is very good for what this Kia Proceed GT offers. And let me put it in park. Electronic handbrake, auto hold. 7.9 liters is the consumption. I will stop the engine, and that was the test drive. I hope you enjoyed. By the way, guys, if you are in Switzerland, around Switzerland, check out MB Automobile Bader Kia Motors. Leave the link in the description if you wanna check them out. If you are in Switzerland around here, they have great price and also great service, and they are nice people here. Anyway, link will be in the description. Guys, that was the test drive. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you get some useful information from here. If you still have questions, ask me down below. My rating for this Kia Proceed GT 2023 from 1 to 10 will be 9.9. Very good car, very good offer for the price, in my opinion. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed. Hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I will really appreciate that. So thank you very much to all of you that watching my videos. Stay safe and don't miss out the review with the same car. So it's already on the channel. Check it out. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you soon, guys. Bye.